Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily go live on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Facebook app. Then tap right here where it says what's on your mind, and right here you can easily find a live video. Just tap on that. And there, before starting a live, you can first make some settings. You can first select microphone settings. You can toggle off microphone or toggle it on. You can flip your camera in that simple way. Also, you can highlight. Let me show you how it works at front camera. You see, that's with the highlight effect, and that is without. Also, you can hit at magic wand and select some of that different effects. And then you can do a lot of different settings, like you can schedule your post. You can tap right here, schedule your live, sorry. You can tap right here and give a name for the event, and then set a start date for the live, add description, category, and so on. And also you can use one of these different options. You can, for example, share it to groups. You can add some link to your live, and once you finished with that, you can just hit at go live to start your live. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.